Hello students, welcome to Me to Maths classes. Your question is solve the following trigonometric equation and your equation is sec square 2x is equals to 1 minus tan 2x. Now to solve this equation we can rewrite sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now 1 can be cancelled out from both sides. So tan square 2x and take tan 2x to the left of equality. Then this will become the equation. Now we can take tan 2x common. Tan 2x can be taken common. Tan 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now the product of two things is equals to 0. That must implies that either tan 2x is equals to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, first of all, we are going to consider tan 2x is equals to 0. So, tan of theta is equals to 0 implies that theta must be equals to n pi, where n belongs to integers. So x 2 आप वहाँ से डिवाइड कर दो. So x is equals to n pi by 2 where n belongs to integers, and these are the one set of solutions for your equation. Now we are going to consider our next equation, that is tan 2x plus 1 can also be equals to 0. So this must implies that tan 2x is equals to minus 1 and 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. Okay. Now tan is negative. आपका जो tan रेशियो होता है वो नेगेटिव कब होता है? In the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant you can write your angle as pi minus theta. So tan 2x can be written as tan 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi by 4. Now tan theta is equals to tan alpha, that must implies that theta should be equals to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to integers. That must implies that x should be equals to n pi upon 2 plus 3 pi upon 8, where n belongs to integers, and this is another set of solutions for your equation.